I would say the one that comes to my mind is the VTOL, the vertical takeoff
yes.
one that they're testing for like Uber rides.
I really like that they have a bomb installed there, and it's just beautiful.
Yeah.
One unique that I can think of is there's a local airplane here in Sanford. It's an RV7, if I'm not mistaken. And the paint job is just beautiful. And I'm not talking about the traditional paint job. They have like a whole ocean. It's like a little aquarium. But I'm gonna show you some pictures where they have dolphins, mermaids. It's just a beautiful, and it's very unique. You're not gonna see another one like that anywhere.
I know another one. There was an airplane doing supersonic flight test, and then you have like I don't know which specifically with which jet, but yeah, it has.
It was a fighter jet, but I don't remember which one it was.
They have the iLevel in there, and then in all their videos you could see the iLevel and then the supersonic airplane going there.
Yeah, that's a beautiful one. One of my favorite. I'm a big sucker for aerobatic airplanes, and the people from Air Navigation Pro, they have an extra 540.
And they put a bomb in there.
And they have a bomb in there, and it's just a beautiful airplane. Also beautiful paint job. So it's probably one of my favorites as well. The other one I would say for the autopilot, the AirCam. AirCam is a beautiful LSA. Fun fact, it's our autopilot, according to our customer, it has been the only autopilot that has successfully worked on an AirCam. So I think AirCam is a really nice airplane. So there you go. If you own an AirCam, maybe you can install an autopilot.